I thought my resume was pretty good. Then I asked 3 AI models to be brutally honest about it. ChatGPT gave it a 6.5, Gemini gave it a 5.5, Claude gave it a 5. And the lower the score got, the more useful the feedback became. Welcome to AIChief. I'm Vernell Jude. We test AI tools so you don't waste time on the wrong ones. Subscribe and join our weekly newsletter. Link in the description. Here's the exact prompt I used. And you can run this on your own resume right now. Same resume, same prompt, all 3 on their free tiers. Here's what came back. Structured, clear, and genuinely encouraging. It flagged weak bullet points, called out missing metrics, and suggested a specific formula for rewriting achievements. Solid feedback, genuinely useful. But here's the honest feeling reading it. It was organized rather than urgent. It told me what to fix without making me feel the weight of why it mattered. Like getting feedback from someone who wanted to help, but also didn't want to upset you. Gemini pushed harder, and the tone was noticeably different. It didn't just flag problems, it called them out with language that actually stung a little. Where ChatGPT gave me a framework to improve, Gemini gave me specific examples of what a recruiter would actually think reading my resume. That's a meaningful difference, but it still felt like a template. Structured feedback that could apply to almost anyone's marketing resume, not necessarily mine specifically. And then Claude, and the feedback that hit completely differently from both of the others. That's the thing about Claude's feedback. It wasn't just about what was missing. It explained what a recruiter would actually think and feel moving through the resume, not generic advice. Specific observations about this specific document. That's the difference between a tool giving you a diagnosis and a tool actually helping you get better. Here's what this test actually showed me. The higher the score, the less uncomfortable the feedback was. And in this case, less comfortable meant less useful. ChatGPT made me feel like my resume needed minor tweaks. Gemini made me feel like it needed real work. Claude made me feel like I'd been applying to jobs with a document that wasn't working for me and then showed me exactly why. If you want encouragement, ChatGPT is fine. If you want your resume actually fixed, run it through Claude. And don't be surprised when the score is lower than you expected. Drop a comment telling me which AI gave you the most honest feedback. I genuinely want to know if your result matches mine. Subscribe to AIChief and join our weekly newsletter for more comparisons like this every week. And follow us on Instagram for daily AI updates. All links in the description.